In this video, we will show the best brown rice brands available to buy. At number 10. Natureland Organics Brown Rice. It is whole grain rice, with the outer hull removed. White rice is the same grain after further milling and polishing to remove the bran layer and germ. At number 9. Ancient Wisdom Organic Brown Sonamasuri Rice. It is a 100% organic, whole grain and provides over 80% of the natural minerals required by the human body. Brown rice in its natural form with hull and bran contains fiber and nutrients. At number 8. Manna Unpolished Brown Rice. It has twice as much dietary fiber as polished white rice. It is also rich in iron and B vitamins. Manna brown rice can help overcome problems presented by a refined, calorie-dense diet. At number 7. Home of Spices Natural Brown Rice. The rice is high in fiber content, the digestion process is slow, which leads to a strengthened digestive system. Fiber also aids in slowing down the rate at which carbs are converted into blood sugar. At number 6. Worth 2 Deal Kerala Organic Brown Rice. Brown rice has many benefits. It's high in fiber and reduces the body's sugar and cholesterol levels. At number 5. Daawat Brown Basmati Rice. It is a great option for a delicious, nutritious and healthy quick-cooking rice meal. Rich in fiber and natural goodness and also has delicious nutty flavor. At number 4. Daana Premium Organic Brown Rice. It helps in achieving optimal holistic health, including weight loss, a great traditional alternative to the much-hyped quinoa diet or other superfoods. At number 3. Kohinoor Authentic Brown Basmati. It is high in fiber. Low GI value. Rich in vitamins and minerals. It's unpolished natural whole grain with bran. Easy to digest. Nutty in flavor. At number 2. SHRILALMAHAL Fitness Brown Basmati Rice. Premium Brown Basmati Rice, extra long grain, helps in burning fat and boosting metabolism, contains natural GABA neurotransmitter. At number 1. Tinkyada Pasta Brown Rice Spirals with Bran. It is a classic in texture and taste. Wheat-free, gluten-free, good consistent texture, not mushy, al dente, no preservatives added.